Hi, how's it going, guys and gals? Out here in the shop, getting a little bit more work done on the Honda. Got the radiator in, the fans in, the AC lines in, condenser, even got a couple of headlights in, so we're making progress on the Honda. But I want to talk about today, it's going to be kind of like a product review. And to me, it's something that you need to have in your shop. Some of y'all might have one already. So a company reached out to me, wanted me to try one of the products out, give a review, and that's what we're going to do. So in this box here, it's from Autoone, and they do all kinds of stuff. They do LED lighting and stuff for your car, tail lights, you know, all kinds of different things. But what they also do is they do a portable jump box system, and this is what they sent me today. So let's go ahead and get it opened up, which I already took a look at it. Get this out of the way. And it is the Autoone JWA1 jump box. This thing does all kinds of things, and you can air up your tires with it. It's got a light on it. It's got a station where you can plug something in, like charging up your phone and stuff. And we're going to give it a try. So let's go ahead and get it opened up. All right, it comes in a nice hard case. So let's get this opened up. Get this out of the way. Don't need that right now. I would be doing this on my table, but it's kind of full of parts right now. So this is our table. So like I said, nice hard case. Go ahead and get it unzipped. Just put it there. So this is about the size of it, which is not too bad. And it's got all kinds of different functions on it. So I'll walk up to the camera where you can kind of see it. So this is the power side here. You can take my glasses off so I can read. So in this compartment, you got a place where you plug in the charge. You can also hook up your USB, whatever else, charge up your phones. Anything that needs some charging, you can use this with. You got your power button, you got your light button, you got your up and down and stuff on your tires. That goes up to 150 psi. And of course the jump box, which plugs into here. So that's where that plugs in at. And this side here is for your pump. That's where you put your hose in, to air up your tires. You can do it either on your car, truck, bicycle. And like I said, it's got up to 150 psi. There's your light function on it. So I like the way this is set up. It's compact, got its case, so we can turn the button on. Make sure it's fully charged. It takes about 2.5 hours to fully charge this thing up. So with the power on, you can hit the first button. There's your light. Then it also has a strobe feature on it. So you broke down somewhere. And which I think is kind of cool. And then, see if I can bring it up. Now this is your tire. It has a gauge on it as well. So right now it's set at 0, but you can do a memory. You can go up and down with it to whatever your tire pressure you need. It'll stop at that point. So that's kind of cool. And it comes with all kinds of adapters. Put this back in. This is for your jump box. And I'll show you that in a minute, how it plugs in, how to use. This is your hose for your compressor. And it comes with nice little fittings and stuff. where you can air up like your football, basketball, some inflatables, comes with those. And so far I'm kind of liking it. So I'm gonna go get set up. We're gonna try out air and tire that's flat. The race truck in the back has a dead battery in it, and it's kind of put it through its paces. All right, so we're gonna walk over here to the race truck and hook the jumper box up to it and see if it fires up. So it's sitting over there. We've had a couple of nice cold snaps, so the battery is dead in it. So we're gonna see if we can get it started up and see how it does. All right, let's put the key in and see, nothing's happening. So let's get the hood popped, get the cables on, and let's see if we can get this thing to fire up. All right, we got it plugged in, and now we're getting ready to attach the negative to it. And since it locks solid, let's go over here and see if she's gonna start. Put the key in. And there we go. So, jumped it off all right. It's kind of cool out. You have to excuse the light tapping noise going on. That was from sending the beans on it at the No-Name Nationals and the burnout contest. So we're going to fix that during the off season here and get it ready to go for next year. So it started up, and let's go ahead and get it shut off, and let's go air some tires up. Get it turned on. So we got it on the car. We're going to drop it down to the 32. And here it goes. And there you go. So we played around with it a little bit. Jump started the race truck, air the tire. played with lights. I mean, so far it kind of does what it needs to do. And but I do recommend when you first get this, put it on a charger for about 3 hours. That way there it's fully charged. It also states too, when you're jumping your car off, at least make sure it's got at least 50% power. And yeah, I kind of like it. Looking forward to using it here in the shop. And with Christmas coming around the corner, they are offering deals on these online on their website only, which is www.autoone.com. And they're going to be running sales right now. Like I said, Christmas is coming around. And if you put in Mopar out, you get an additional discount. I'm definitely going to put this thing through the paces off and on while I have it, and we'll see how, we'll go down the road like month, 2 months, 3 months, see how the thing's holding up. But it's a nice little package, and it's fairly inexpensive. You can store it in your cars, truck, in the shop. That way it doesn't get damaged. And give it to somebody for Christmas. I mean, like I said, it's right around the corner. They're going to be offering deals on their website only. And I will put their website in my description. And also, like I said, use promo code MOPAROUT. Kind of something you need in the shop anyway, or in your other half's car, or in your car, just in case something happens. And it makes a great gift for somebody. So, other than that, guys, the review on this thing, I love it so far. It does what it says it does. And go check them out. Other than that, guys, you have a good one, a safe one, and we'll see you down the road.